by and take a look at the 2018 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, first aid kit, power steering, driver vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.